Welcome to another installment of the Medley Travel Minute. In this episode, we share some packing tips that could save you some frustration with your luggage. Tip 1. If you are traveling with a spouse or other close relation, try this packing tip for your checked luggage. Pack your checked luggage with half of each other's clothes. Make sure both people have at least one complete outfit in each checked luggage. This way, if one piece of checked luggage doesn't make it to your destination, there will be at least one outfit available from the luggage that did make it. Tip 2. Typically, an airline traveler can take a carry-on and a personal bag, like a laptop bag, backpack, purse, etc. Be sure to pack a change of clothes in your personal bag if you have room. This way, if you must check your carry-on and it gets delayed or lost, you still have a change of clothes. Tip 3. Place a card with your contact information on the inside of each piece of luggage, including your carry-on and backpack. This way, if your outside tag gets separated from your luggage, your contact information is still with the luggage. When you're ready to go, just let us know. Medley Travel Partners 352-897-6547 or medleytravelpartners.com or on social media, Instagram, Facebook, X, and LinkedIn.